Alright, here's the normal emergency instructions that are behind the door. The entryway is always really narrow here, but you've got a full closet and a second full closet with the life jackets up top. They got a little janky, I'll fix those later. And then a third closet with shelves. I don't know where the safe is. I didn't see a safe. Interesting. We'll have to discover that together. We just got on the ship, just got into our room. The one thing I'll say is that the air conditioning does not seem to be as cool as one would like it. This is your standard old school Carnival bathroom. The lighting in here is really weird. It feels very green cast. There's also this really weird picture above the toilet. I'm not sure what that's all about. And then you've got your little mirror shelves, place for, I don't know, some kind of soap, and just stuff down below. So that's basically what you got in the bathroom. Then you come to the room. You've got a small couch. You have the bed. There's a couple of drawers here. And there should be, as usual, yep, hair dryer. Then you just got more drawers. You got a little fridge or cooler here. And there's the safe. That's actually a good spot for it, I think. And then we are still in port, like I said. I'm sure Melissa and I will do a review, but I'm going to take you out there. It's going to get noisy. But oh, you've got a lamp, and then it's weird, is that little lamp right there doesn't have a USB plug, but this one does. So fortunately, I had the foresight to bring like a 10-foot long USB cable so Melissa can do her phone.